Hi everyone, my name is Katrina Miller. I currently work at a place called Concern and we do family-based mental health services. So we work with the whole entire family, but our client is usually the child. We don't really technically work with the DSM-5, but we do hold a thing called ISPT meetings. So they're held within the first 30 days that we open and then within the last 45 days before we discharge. And those meetings are just meant for all of us to work together, that they have all their services they have. So it could be like their insurance agency, their school, their PCP, if they have a psychiatrist with medication management, an individual therapist. So we all get together, discuss the clients and family's strengths and needs. And then so we do work with the psychiatrist just like in monthly meetings, because if they go to their medication management meetings, we will sometimes go with them and kind of discuss with the psychiatrist like what we see is going on within the family, any side effects of any medication they're on, because a lot of the times the clients might not like medication but are nervous to tell medication management or psychiatrist if they'll tell us. So that's like what I work with the psychiatrist, and then the meetings are the ISPT meetings. I am interested in learning about the DSM so that way I could put more input into my clients' needs that they have for the psychiatrist. But other than that, I'm excited to learn a lot this semester and continue working with you all.